Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. We're about to pick up the keys. Woohoo! Oh my gosh. Okay, let's go. Oh, my mask is still on. Whew. So, it's like an Asian culture thing. I thought it was only a Filipino thing, but apparently it's an Asian thing because I was watching a K-drama and they also did this. But whenever you move into a new space or a new house, the first thing you bring in there is rice. And the idea is that it, brings prosperity and abundance, because the idea is that, if you bring rice into your home, you'll never go hungry. So every time we move into a new house, because I'm a military brat, so we move around all over the place, but every time we move, we always bring rice as the first thing in the house. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy. All right, so we don't know what to do now because we don't even have chairs in here. I think we should go back home and order some furniture, start ordering furniture. It's gonna take like a week, 2 weeks to get here. Oh my gosh, you guys, I'm in love with the lighting in here. I love that this is a south-facing window so that we get like direct sunlight, which is gonna be really good for content and for selfies. And also because it's south-facing, it means we get the most sunlight throughout the day. And then what's really cool is the window coverings are like a white panel, so it diffuses the light. Let me show you. So you see how it like diffuses the light? So that, because like it's such harsh lighting, because it's south facing, this like white panel kind of like diffuses the light, so it's really, really nice. Woo, look at this lighting, it's popping. Well, my hair is not popping today because I didn't shower, but the lighting is popping. All right, so the plan today is we are going to go home. I hate my hair today. We're going to go home because I have a meeting at 3. We're gonna get some food. We'll see how it goes. We've got some gyros, got a gyro with fries. And then also, I'm very excited about this, baklava. Baklava is like one of my favorite desserts of all time. All right, so I'm sitting here in front of my laptop because I'm doing an interview with a public health service officer from CDC. I have like a bunch of questions that I wanted to ask her about the pandemic and coronavirus, and I thought it would be a really great idea to like upload this video to YouTube, just to get people to understand like what's going on, like how long this thing is gonna last. I just have a bunch of questions, so hopefully we'll get some answers. The interview starts in 3 minutes, so really excited. I got this huge package from Microsoft, and I'm gonna open it. Look at that. Oh, whoa. So cool. Yo, thank you so much, Microsoft. My dad has a Surface, so I'm excited to play with this one. I've never heard of this one before. It's the Surface Book 3, but the way it was explained to me was like, wow, this is exactly what I need for like a tablet / laptop. All of their Surface tablets or like devices are created for productivity, so I'm really excited to use this because I don't know if you guys remember, but like at the beginning of the year I got an iPad and it just does not do what I want it to do or what I need it to do, so I'm really excited to try this out. Hopefully it will make my workload a little bit easier. We've made some progress, folks. The couch is being sold today. She's going. Yay! And then I also ordered a new couch from Burrow. I love it, it's so cute, but it's not being shipped for another like 4 to 6 weeks. So we will be couchless basically for at least another month. So that's the only downside. But I'm just super happy that this is just going. Shut up! You guys are not gonna believe this. It's really gone. The couch is really gone. Wow. After 2 years of procrastination, it is finally out of here. But now we're going to declutter all of my papers and notebooks because I just have so many like things just lying around this apartment, so we really need to get on decluttering. And I can't wait until after I declutter everything and I get, you know, that like light feeling that you get from owning less things, you know what I'm saying? So let's go do it. My brother made some chicken adobo, so we're gonna try it, see if it's good. Yay! All right, he said this is the best, so we'll see about that. He said instead of water, he used pure unfiltered sake. I don't know if he was joking or if he was being serious.
We don't know.
We never know when he's joking or not. I mean, it looks good. It smells good.
Smells good.
Give me some of that juice. All right, here we go. All right, update folks. I didn't really vlog that much yesterday just because we were so busy moving things, like moving small things to the new apartment, and I was too stressed to film. Also, I had to edit a video yesterday, so like trying to work and move in the same day at the same time is just like really stressful. So I didn't really feel like vlogging. But this is what the current apartment looks like right now. So as you can see, we have packed up the Christmas tree. We're trying to sell this actually, and we're probably not gonna buy a new one. Is that your phone or mine? Someone yesterday was trying to buy it. They said they were gonna come in an hour to come pick it up. So my mom, she rushed to pack it all together, and then they were like, oh, never mind, it's too big. Like, hello, we put the dimensions in the listing, like, can you read next time? You know what I'm saying? But anyway, hopefully someone buys it. I don't know. I really like that we sold the couch because that really gave us permission to move. Like, that was such a key piece in this living room. So now that that's gone, you know, we were just like, all right, I guess it's time to move now. So we brought everything down here from up there. So all the storage stuff is down here, and you know, we're just gonna go through everything and try to declutter and do all that stuff. Now, we've got some really exciting news. My Telfar bag just came in. I'm really excited. So I'm going to unbox it. So we've got the box. Oops, let's not cut my finger off. Ooh. So it comes in like this plastic bag. And then you unzip it, and it is in the dust bag. Has like a white dust bag with the logo on it. And there it is, folks. Oh my gosh, this is like the perfect size. And I got the tan color because I don't really have a tan bag. All of my bags are black or white. I don't really have like a brown bag. So I'm very, very excited about this. It smells like fish. Isn't it funny when you like get things that have been sitting in a warehouse or like sitting in shipping? Oh, there's a lot of space in here, as you can see. And then there's a zipper on the inside to put, you know, keys or your wallet or hand sanitizer. Wow, there's a lot of room in here. Yeah, look at it.
Oh, perfect size. I want that. Oh, that's what I wanted. Thank you for getting that for me. You know what I really want. Don't mind the legs.
And you see, it's like open. It's just like a little
Yeah.
clasp. So it's like, it's open, but you can still close it.
Yes.
And it's the perfect size for like
Yes.
running errands and like, I think you can even fit a laptop in here. Can you get my laptop?
No.
Yes. Thank you. 감사합니다. Salamat po, ate. God, the smell of this is terrible. Oh my gosh, it's so cute and I love the color. I was afraid it was gonna be too orange, and it is pretty orange, but it's a really nice color. Oh, yeah, you can easily fit a laptop in here. My laptop is 13 inches and it just goes right in there.
Oh, that's the perfect. That's the one style that I really want. Oh, I just want to show my t-shirt real quick. So, welcome to my vlog.
All right, goodbye. Thank you so much for tuning in.
Yes.
Oh my gosh, I love it.
You did say you're gonna share.
Oh, I did say that? Oh, I don't remember saying that.
Well, I recorded it.
Oh, I don't think so. I don't think that was part of the program. Yay! Ta-da! Ooh, girl, I need to do my nails. Anyway, I'm probably just gonna end the vlog here because I want this video to go up today. So I'm just gonna edit it and hopefully it goes up today. Thank you guys so much for watching this vlog. I think this is the last vlog for Vlogmas, but I loved vlogging so much. I'm just gonna continue vlogging throughout the rest of the year. I forgot how much I loved vlogging. So anyway, thank you guys so much for tuning in. I'll catch you guys next time. Peace! Oh, also, obviously, I'm going to be doing like moving vlogs and all that because like it's gonna be so fun to document. So okay, anyway, bye.